Okay, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're going to make a pizza dough. Pizza dough, the ingredient we just put pizza powder that we call flour. After flour, we put yeast. After we put yeast, we put on pot. Take some towel to put on cover. បងដាក់កដៅប្រហែលដាក់ផ្អាប់វាប្រហែលដែរផ្អាប់វាប្រហែលម៉ោងដែរ2ម៉ោង so after that តេតូនដាក់ម្សៅហើយដាក់មេវាហើយដាក់ទឹកប្រហែលដែរ
ទឹកមួយចានដឹងប្រហែលបានតែវាចាន
ដាក់រាល់ដងប្រហែល2
មួយចាន
ណាចឹងសម្រាប់ម្សៅភីសាមកកន្លះគីឡូ6ចានso actually our pizza dough we do one time so 6 piece of bowl
មេវា2កាព្រា
yeah this bowl so
ចានធំចានការី
okay so this bowl so we put 6 bowl of pizza and each we put 2 spoon okay and after that we put water we put this one bowl and put on pot jar like this so we put 6 bowl and we put water 1 bowl and we put each 2 spoon after that we put on cover put towel cover and we tie the chain a little bit so after that so almost 2 hours the pizza dough will be like this become a powder and become a powder we start to make pizza dough this is homemade pizza dough most of some place they bought from market but the flavor also are different also it's not fresh like we do by ourselves you know when we do ourselves the pizza dough is fresh see just make it roll it ចេះយើងដាក់អំបិលម្រេចអត់បងអត់ទេ
ស្ករបន្តិចអំបិលបន្តិចដាក់នេះទៅ
actually pizza dough we put flour and yeast put salt a little bit and sugar a little bit after that put water and put on pot okay this is a side this is homemade pizza dough we do by our own so some place they have also pizza cutter like square but for us we don't have so we take the basket to put make pizza is round yeah after that we make hole see hole like this okay. So when we put a cheese so the cheese is melted with the hole and pizza dough also it melted with pizza you know cheese you see beautiful after we make hole like this and then we just warm in microwave ដាក់នៅ microwave ប្រហែលនាទីបង4នាទី so we just put on microwave make pizza dough small dry so we put 4 minutes okay like this you see beautiful this is medium size we make it most people they do the big size but for us we do medium size or small size but this is medium size minimum for 2 people so enough for this pizza dough you know okay this is our oven so we just toast pizza dough 4 minutes. See? See, beautiful.